So I am back with the Sears box fan again. Since I didn't run it on the first video, I'm going to run it on this one. And if you can hear some background noise, that's because the OC box fan is running. I'm going to unplug it. See? I'm plugging the Sears. And the Sears is plugged in. Ready to go. So here it is. On high. Blows a lot of air. The camera's withstanding it. Easy. So here's rolling. It shakes. Shudders. I'll bring the camera down. See on high, just how much air blows. Actually, just move it over here. There's a fan over there. And here's that. It blows a lot of air. I'm going to straight box it from the market. I got it down to 7. And our kitty's over there. We're not focusing on our cat. Focusing on the cat. Hey. So, we'll get you some startups. Yeah, bring the camera up. I also wonder what kind of motor this is. You can see it's all kind of, it's all rusty. I went with it and it started running back. So here's startup. So here's the startup on low speed once the fan stops. And it might be off my finger. You start up on low. Pretty nice fan. With that big motor, it even works. You can see these things. Oops. Whoopsies, Harvey. You can't knock over the fans. You can't knock over the fans, buddy. So anyway, the blades are kind of clean. We'll get the last startup again. How it works. The speed knob, it's a bit broken, so there's a screw right there. And we'll give you a shake. Here's low. only 2 speeds. Use high. High's not bad at all. I'm spinning down. That's how much it should when I'm spinning down. There we go, to move. That curtain also moved. You can see it right there. He's going right over there, and then boom, he's gone. Anyway, he just did that Kenmore. Focus. So let's show you this motor. I even looked on top of it. Proof there's nothing. This thing might have been rewired at once. Rewiring's fine though. Granted, heavy use. Wait, the use couldn't have been heavy, but it could have been left out. You can see there's a little rust. Come on, focus. So focus on my hand. Focus is on my hand. There. Rust. There's some cobwebs. But anyway, this is making this video, and I'll see you with another fan. Bye. Thanks for watching.